Okay, so we got our gas, we got our striker, some water, fire extinguisher. Okay, yeah, this might work. This might work. So try and get that one out first. But what I am gonna do is I am gonna remove this because I know that that's gonna go off, because all the fumes for the fumes from the torch are gonna be coming up through here, so you can double sure that there's nothing up here that can melt or burn or anything like that. What we'll do is we'll crack this door here just to extra ventilation. Jesus. Sure. I don't know about that. I really don't know about that. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay. See how hot that got. Not both. Not that hot. Not that hot at all. Okay, so got the one out, but the oxygen, I don't know, this working this flame is obviously not the best at it, so let's try again on this. It's really difficult. Not quite sure how to control this, but there we go. Okay, let's get on. Oh. I don't know. Is that okay, you think? Is that enough, you think? Got it. Oh, I heard it go. Ah, I heard it go. she's loose. So doing good. 2 down here. Just gotta get the hang of using that thing. I probably used up the whole bottle of oxygen already. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Oh yeah. One more. It's strange because oh, see, this bolt doesn't even seem to be getting hot. Is it? Strange. Okay, one more. Okay. This valve is not working properly. That's the problem. There we go. All right, let's get on there. Put that heat in there. Maybe a little bit more oxygen. A little bit more gas, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Turn the oxygen off. Okay. Okay. Oxygen is off. Okay. That's gotta be good and hot there. Let's get on it. Oh. I don't know if I got it or not. Oh shit. I think I just I don't know what I got it or what. I think I just rammed the bolt head. I think. Not entirely sure. This shit out of the way here. Oh, now, well, there you go. The last one, she broke off. Knew that was gonna happen. Anyways. Okay. Oh shit. Well, we got the exhaust manifold off though. But we did break one bolt. I just need to get this exhaust, it's just the flange. All the bolts are loose and I just gotta get the, I don't know what you call it, but this bit here, just gotta get that off. Okay. Here's a moment I've been waiting for quite a while on this channel. And okay. I don't even see him now. Well, we could see more clearly how this smog pump system works now. Oh yeah, I could see there was a gasket on there at one point, just completely gone. And yeah, so I think that's the first thing, and just checking the condition of, I'll have to check the actual condition of the manifold and make sure everything is sound. But there's your manifold. Yeah, so now that this is taken care of, we just got this one bolt right here to get out, and I'll figure that out. Yeah, we'll do another video and get back to removing some of the we're going to remove the fan shroud and get some of this stuff off, the pumps off, and yeah, hopefully replace some of the belts and replace the starter. Yeah, starter seems to be on its last legs, just not but I think I've got an extra starter. Those are fairly easy to get. So yeah, so stay tuned. Pretty happy about this, and stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna go hard in the next few days. So yeah, thanks for all your support, and really appreciate everybody's support. We're up to 475 subscribers now, so really great progress there. So please like and share the video as much as you can. There's not a whole lot of videos working on these P30 motorhomes online, so I figure I'm blazing a trail here, especially with what I'm doing here with the exhaust manifold and stuff like that. So stay tuned to the channel here, and we'll see you guys soon.